Okay, for this point, I think that I think it's not just on how to analyze it in Malaysia. I think throughout the whole world it's the same thing. First thing, we have to look at the master plan. The master plan means that the development around that area, so because that definitely affect the price in the long run. Okay. So secondly, is the public transport master plan, because let's for example in KL there are a lot of housing areas where there is a few units that is nearer to the public transport, and it's a nearer walking distance, and in the long run the property that is nearer to the public transport actually have a 5 to 10% increment of price compared to the same neighborhood, the same area, same housing area, right? So the public transport master plan is important. And third, we need to see if there is any budget allocated by the government. So there are a few hotspots in Malaysia where the government is actually promoting and arranging a lot of events like New Year events, Chinese New Year events, any events they will put like firecrackers and stuff to keep the flow of people going to the place. So the allocation of budget from the government is very important. And then what is the economy drivers? Okay, so in for example, the cities with Disneyland would definitely have an impact on the property price around there, because we have more tourists. So let's say KLCC in Malaysia. If you buy properties around KLCC, if you know what you're doing, you can flip and earn a lot of money from it, or you can do a lot of things from it. And the final one is there any job creation? Like there is a lot of cities in China, they are diverting the cities into an IT hub. Okay, so same as Krushri Harbor, the place where I'm living, they are actually promoting a lot of co-working space for IT students and IT R&D departments to participate for free. So those are the areas where it actually create more job creation. And the final one, of course, you need to know the background of the developer and the credibility of the developer before purchasing it. Yeah.
Yeah, just don't find a greedy one.
Yeah, don't find the greedy one, correct.